In a quiet valley far away, there was a tulip field that never rushed to bloom. Every morning, the sun would rise gently over it, as if afraid to disturb its peace. The flowers did not speak, but somehow they understood everything around them. People once came to this place with loud footsteps and busy thoughts, but the field never reacted. It simply stayed still, swaying softly with the wind, teaching silence without saying a word. And slowly, those who stayed long enough began to change. They forgot the noise they carried and remembered how to breathe again. Some said the field was alive, not in movement, but in memory, as if every tulip held a story of everything people had ever left behind. And when the wind passed through, it felt like the world was speaking, in a language no one had learned, but everyone understood. Those who left the valley never spoke of it loudly, because some places are not meant to be explained, only remembered.